Okay, Stinky Boy laundry detergent. It can be Stinky Girl, whatever, that's just my name. I graded 2 bars of this. Fels Naphtha. Okay, got it at Walmart. They usually have it at Walmart and sometimes at Food Line, but it's basically a laundry bar and stain remover. So I graded with my cheese grater 2 bars. 1 container of OxyClean. This is real easy because there's just dump, dump, and dump. 1 box of Arm & Hammer super washing soda. Y'all, this also, I sent it to school with Drew, and his roommates use it. And it got like stinky shoes, blah, blah, blah. Oh, sorry. 1 box of borax. Anyway, some kind of Sanooks that had smelled so bad they had to put them outside, and they were, 5 shades too dark. And Drew called and said, Mom, you're not going to believe it, but that stuff works. So here we go. Last 2 ingredients. 2 of these. Whatever flavor you like, totally up to you. And that is it. Now I'm going to mix this up, and I keep my containers and put them back in the containers. And then I can send some Stinky Boy laundry detergent to school with Drew. And sometimes I share it with friends, like as a gift in a little jar or whatever. Great stuff. If you got stinky people at your house, we can all stink this time of year. For sure, this is a great detergent. Make it a great day.